how to fix PS5 turning off by itself. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if your PS5 is turning off by itself, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes your PS5 could just be turning off by itself if it is basically overheating, and then you're playing a lot of games, it just shuts down to let it cool down the temperature. So make sure you enter it in a room that has basically enough humidity for the PlayStation console as well. But if your PlayStation 5 console is basically just cool and you're still having the issue, this could be because of a certain setting that you enabled. And in order to disable this setting, just come to the gear icon from the top right hand side, and then I want you to simply go to this option known as system. And when you come to the system option over here, you'll be able to see these details, where what you need to do is you simply need to go to this option known as power saving, and right here you can see set until PS5 enters rest mode. So if I just select this, whenever I'm playing a media playback, it will turn off itself after 4 hours. So I have to select don't put in rest mode. Even while playing games, if the setting is for when you're on the home screen, then you can just set this to don't put in rest mode, and now your PS5 won't turn off by itself. Now sometimes the issue also could be with your power cable, the power supply and everything else, so make sure that is not the case as well. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can fix if PS5 is turning off by itself. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to of course leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.